Hey guys, this is us.
Pancakes.
Today we're making Fruity Pebble Pancakes. This will taste good.
Yeah. Delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
I think it was a terrible take. I think. First step.
Pour it in, baby.
Put it in the bowl, baby. So then you get 1 cup and 1/8 of water.
You want to whisk or what?
I'd like to move it. She likes to.
Then you pour the water in and whisk it. Wow, that looks amazing.
Wow, it's like I work for Tasty. It smells like Fruity Pebbles.
All right, let's all get a smell.
Y'all smell it? Y'all smell it?
Oh shoot, it does. What the heck?
I mean, there are Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah, but that's like really strong. Put the butter in the pan.
Try not to burn your hand.
It'd go ouchie.
Oh, we don't even know. Go.
You like that?
Y'all smell that butter? Oh, I'm gonna prepare.
Oh, where my spatchy? Spatchy?
Oh, I thought
There. Shh, 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 shh. There you are.
What are you doing?
Don't talk to. Oh, sorry, I was. Ooh.
Wow, look at that golden brown crisp. What?
Welcome to the Fruity Pebble Pancakes,
Put
baby.
it on there, baby.
Woo!
Hot.
Hot tamale, I'm sweating. Oh! And to all the ladies at home watching,
Should be proud.
they do be proud. Next step, put icing on your pancake.
It tastes like Fruity Pebbles.
Pancake zaddy.
Pancakes in. I have pancake socks on.
I'm gonna rub them on my.
Ew.
What? Okay. I was being quirky.
That's not what our channel is about. Yay. Yay.
All right, big boy coming along.
I'm gonna go crazy with it.
You know, some people catch STDs, but we catch diabetes. Let's go, baby!
It's in my genetics, I think.
Oh, boo.
Wah, 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 wah.
Things that are based on reality.
Wah, wah,
Wah,
wah,
wah.
wah. It's the bunny one. Ew, it feels wrong.
That's how chocolate feels. What are you talking about?
Uh,
It's because it's white, huh?
I didn't say that. Does this look dumb?
Yeah, it looks stupid. It looks like it's holding up the bunny. No one knows what this is now.
Oh my god.
No, don't do that either. That also looks dumb. I meant like just put it up in the middle of the pancakes. That's the only
Like
other.
this?
Yeah.
Should
But
I
that also looks dumb.
Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Woo! Woo, woo,
Miss Butterworth.
woo! Butterworth, I got you, baby!
She looking like Mrs. Incredible out here.
Oh my god, don't look too hard.
Gee, Miss Butterworth.
Ugh.
What are you doing?
Please respect her. Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh, this looks bad.
All right, you ready to try it?
Yeah. You ready?
Right, let's go.
Oh my god. I don't even know what part to eat. Alright. That's Fruity Pebbles.
That's like a birthday cake. Here, for you guys to see up front. Ooh.
The bunny disappeared.
It's just sliding away. Go night night, bunny.
We basically built the bunny's grave.
Go night night. Sleep forever.
I kind of like it though.
That is really good.
It tastes is Fruity Pebbles somewhere. Oh.
Oh, this is so good.
Yeah! Oh my god, I love it.
Oh, that's so good.
You're so red.
I know.
You look like... Let's look inside. Can you see?
Mmm.
Bunny dead. Uh-oh.
We don't talk about.
Uh-oh.
We don't talk about Bunny. No. No.
Uh-oh. The Fruity Pebbles have me acting up.
Me too. That makes me want to do something illegal.
Like this?
Or like this. So we just finished. What is your final rating out of 23 pancakes? What would you give this?
19.
See, before I would give it like a 19, but the fact that I can't finish it because it's so sweet and so delicious that it's honestly too sweet now. I give it a 17.
Solid. Yeah. I agree.
But let us know what we should do next. We take suggestions sometimes.
If we have suggestions.
If we have suggestions. But leave a like, subscribe, check out the next video, and peace.
Bye.
Bye.